Ever felt like you're walking a tightrope with your email marketing? Like you're constantly worried about hitting some invisible ceiling, especially when you're using free tools? You're not alone. And if you're using HubSpot's free tools, specifically the free meetings tool, you might be wondering, just like everyone else, how many emails can I actually send? Let's be real. We all love free. Free tools are like that sample platter at a restaurant, a taste of what's possible, a way to test the waters. But here's the kicker: with free, there's always a catch. Often it's a limit. Now, you might be thinking, HubSpot is a big deal. Surely they're generous with their free stuff? And you're right, to a point. HubSpot's free CRM and tools are incredibly powerful, a fantastic entry point for businesses of all sizes. But, and this is a big but, understanding the nuances of those free limits is crucial to avoid hitting roadblocks and potentially missing out on valuable opportunities. Why does this matter? Well, imagine you're a small business owner. You've set up your HubSpot account, you're using the free meetings tool to schedule appointments, and you're sending out follow-up emails. You're building relationships, nurturing leads, and things are looking good. Then suddenly your emails stop sending. You're left wondering, what happened? The answer, more often than not, lies in those free email limits. And when it comes to HubSpot meetings, it's not as straightforward as a simple number. It's tied to a broader understanding of HubSpot's free email sending capabilities. So let's break it down. First, we need to understand that the HubSpot free tools are part of the broader HubSpot CRM. The CRM itself is free, but the email functionality within it has limitations. Here's the key. The free HubSpot CRM gives you a certain number of marketing emails you can send per calendar month. This isn't specifically tied to the meetings tool, but rather to the overall email sending capability of your free HubSpot account. Now, you might be asking, okay, but what's that number? And here's where it gets a little tricky. HubSpot's free email sending limit is subject to change, and it's always best to check their official documentation for the most up-to-date information. However, generally speaking, you're looking at a limit of a certain number of marketing emails per month. But wait, there's more. This limit usually applies to marketing emails, not transactional emails. What's the difference? Marketing emails are promotional in nature, designed to engage your audience and drive conversions. Think newsletters, promotional offers, and announcements. Transactional emails, on the other hand, are triggered by specific actions, such as appointment confirmations, password resets, and order confirmations. So, when you use the HubSpot meetings tool to schedule an appointment, the confirmation email sent to the attendee is often considered a transactional email. This means it might not count towards your marketing email limit. However, and this is crucial, if you're sending follow-up emails after the meeting, or if you're using the meetings tool to send out promotional offers, these emails are likely to be considered marketing emails and will count towards your limit. Here's a practical example. You use the HubSpot meetings tool to schedule a consultation. The attendee receives a confirmation email. This is likely a transactional email and might not count towards your limit. After the consultation, you send a follow-up email with a link to a resource or a special offer. This is likely a marketing email and will count towards your limit. So, how do you manage this? How do you ensure you're not hitting your free email limit? First, understand the difference between marketing and transactional emails. Second, keep track of your email sending volume. HubSpot provides insights into your email performance, including the number of emails sent. Use these insights to monitor your usage and stay within your limits. Third, consider segmenting your audience. This allows you to send targeted emails to specific groups, reducing the overall number of emails you need to send. Fourth, focus on quality over quantity. Instead of sending out mass emails, focus on creating personalized and relevant content that resonates with your audience. Fifth, leverage other channels. Email isn't the only way to communicate with your audience. Consider using social media, SMS messaging, or even phone calls to supplement your email marketing efforts. Sixth, if you find yourself consistently hitting your free email limit, consider upgrading to a paid HubSpot plan. Paid plans offer higher email sending limits and access to more advanced features. Seventh, educate yourself. HubSpot offers a wealth of resources, including blog posts, webinars, and documentation, that can help you understand their free email limits and how to optimize your email marketing efforts. 8th, use automation wisely. HubSpot's workflows can automate many of your marketing tasks, including email sending. However, be mindful of how these automated emails impact your free email limit. 9th, monitor your deliverability. Ensure your emails are reaching your audience's inboxes. HubSpot provides tools to help you track your email deliverability. 10th, and perhaps most importantly, understand the purpose of your emails. Are you sending emails to nurture leads, drive conversions, or simply provide information? By understanding the purpose of your emails, you can create more effective campaigns and reduce the number of unnecessary emails you send. Now, let's address a common misconception. Many people believe that the HubSpot Meetings tool itself has a separate email limit. This is not the case. The Meetings tool is simply a scheduling tool that integrates with your HubSpot account. The email sending capabilities are determined by your overall HubSpot account limits. Therefore, when you're using the Meetings tool, you're not sending emails directly from the tool. You're sending emails through your HubSpot account, and those emails are subject to the same limits as any other email you send from your account. So, to summarize, the HubSpot free CRM has a limit on the number of marketing emails you can send per month. Transactional emails, such as appointment confirmations, may not count towards your marketing email limit. Follow-up emails and promotional emails sent using the Meetings tool will likely count towards your marketing email limit. Monitor your email sending volume and stay within your limits. Consider upgrading to a paid plan if you consistently hit your free email limit. The Meeting tool does not have its own separate email limit. Understanding these points is crucial to effectively using HubSpot's free tools and avoiding any surprises. Remember, the goal is to use HubSpot's free tools strategically, maximizing their potential while staying within your limits. By understanding the nuances of free email sending and implementing the tips we've discussed, you can leverage HubSpot's free tools to grow your business without breaking the bank. But don't just take my word for it. Explore HubSpot's resources, experiment with different strategies, and find what works best for your business. The beauty of HubSpot's free tools is that they provide a foundation for growth, allowing you to scale your marketing efforts as your business grows. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.